What is basic HVAC knowledge? Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. In today's video, we are going to understand basic HVAC knowledge. If you are a beginner or just starting your HVAC journey, this topic is very important for you. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It is a system used to control temperature, airflow, and air quality inside a building. Almost every home, office, and commercial building uses HVAC systems for comfort and safety. Understanding heating. Heating is the process of increasing indoor temperature during cold weather. HVAC systems use different methods for heating, such as furnaces, electric heaters, or heat pumps. The main goal of heating is to keep the indoor environment warm and comfortable when the outside temperature is low. Understanding cooling. Cooling is the process of removing heat from indoor air. Air conditioners use refrigerant to absorb heat from the room and release it outside. This process helps maintain a cool and comfortable environment during hot weather. Understanding ventilation. Ventilation means bringing fresh air into the building and removing stale or polluted air. Proper ventilation is very important for maintaining oxygen levels and improving indoor air quality. It also helps remove bad odors, moisture, and harmful gases. Basic components of HVAC. Every HVAC system has some common components: compressor, condenser, expansion device, evaporator coil, blower or fan. These components work together in a cycle to heat or cool the air and circulate it inside the building. Air filtration and quality. HVAC systems also include air filters that remove dust, dirt, and allergens from the air. Clean air is important for health, especially in homes, offices, and hospitals. Thermostat and control system. A thermostat is used to control the temperature of the HVAC system. You can set the desired temperature, and the system will automatically turn on or off to maintain that level. Modern systems also include smart thermostats that can be controlled through mobile apps. Why basic HVAC knowledge is important. Understanding basic HVAC knowledge helps you use your system efficiently, save electricity, identify common problems, maintain your system properly. It is also the first step for becoming a professional HVAC technician. Conclusion. Basic HVAC knowledge includes understanding heating, cooling, ventilation, components, and system control. All these elements work together to provide comfort, clean air, and proper airflow. If you learn these basics, you can easily understand more advanced HVAC topics in the future.